Alright, so I made a purchase the other day on gemblender.com, and I purchased these. So it's moving. These are gem blenders. It's like jelly. Alright, so I'll be the first to admit that I am really afraid. Look. Alright, I'm really afraid to use this because this thing is full coverage, right? Full coverage, right? I'm not going to be using any primer because I'm just doing this to test out, so just to show you guys. I feel like my camera lean. By the way, shout out to my plum brows. Anyway, let me go ahead and put on my my Vaseline right here, my cutesy Vaseline that I'm so in love with. It just look at it cute. And not just Vaseline, not just Vaseline, it's just cute. Look at it cute. Alright, I'm gonna put on my wedding ring. Most people think I got a divorce. Alright, so I feel like I'm delaying using this because I'm so nervous. So let me zoom out a little bit. Alright, I didn't want to zoom out because my background anyway. So the foundation I'll be using is my Camouflage foundation, and this one is at Fontana Pharmacy. So I'm going to do one side gem blender, other side brush. I don't even know how much product I should. Alright, so that's what that is. I'm so nervous. So this is the color Amethyst, I believe, and this is the color Citrine, I think so. I like how the citrine looks, but you know, I don't really like orange, but I like how it looks. It's very nice and vibrant. So what I have to be careful is that hair would get stuck on it because it's kind of jelly-ish like, so it's like my hair. But that's not an issue for me personally, because hair would get stuck on my beauty blender all the time. Hair would be in my brush, so I'd have to pick it off and use it or whatever. Right, so alright, so let's just go in, I guess. Alright, it feels weird, like, oh wow, see, can you guys see that? I feel like, okay, I feel like I put too much foundation on my face, which is crazy. Okay. You guys. Alright then, let me just say this. Okay. This pointed part is getting right into the crook of my nose. Oh, I can do this. I see, because I'm using to stippling, I'm stippling, but you can just wipe it on. Oh my god. Destiny Godly, you genius. You mad genius. You, oh my god. Let me see if I can blend out the top of my brows. Blend, lol. You guys, this thing is not leaving any product behind. Oh my gosh. Yo, this thing, it's not leaving any. So I'm just stippling to kind of help it to blend in with my hairline. Alright, you see, you saw the small amount I use on just this, and it spread come all the way over here. So I'm going to do something stupid. I'm going to use a brush and do the other side of my face. right? Now I'm saying it's stupid because obviously with the gem blender no product gets left behind. Hold on, are you guys seeing that on this side it's more saturated and on this side it's not as? And look, there's product left in the brush. Look at my gem blender in comparison to my brush. Yo, no product gets left behind with this bad boy, you know. The only thing is, y'all, okay. So you guys know I love full coverage, but I haven't really been into full coverage. This side is giving me the coverage that I would prefer. Just light because my powder will go on my face, but this is full coverage. This is giving me full coverage realness right now. Alright, so now I'm going to be using warm honey, which is what I normally use to do my highlight. Now I am not going to use a lot, right? Wait, I want to see if I can get it even on both sides. But now I use Wally because clearly the gem blender is bad. Yo, this thing, man. Alright, I'm going to go in with the same brush. I mean literally, look, I'm even adding more. I don't know if you guys saw that. Look, literally, you guys, no product gets left behind. Let me try and blend out here some more. So I'm used to stippling, but with this you can wipe. But I'm very accustomed to stippling, so be mindful of that when you get yours. It does not function like a beauty blender, so don't expect it to function like a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. Milo inside! Don't expect it to absorb anything, because this ain't gonna absorb nothing, honey. Nothing. Oh my, wow. I just cannot believe, I cannot believe that I did my entire face, well, this side, but you guys saw I touched it up with my gem blender. Oh my god, I should probably say this video is not sponsored. I bought this gem blender with my own money. And what I like is that they come with instructions how to use it. Now I think I would like this one better because it's flatter on my face and it gets right. It's a bit more pointed, so it gets right in there. So I think I'd like this one better. It would be cool if it's made pointed like this and then with the base like this, but I guess that's going to mimic the beauty blender too much. So it'd be cool, sorry, hair on it, to have it like this triangle at the top and like the rounded at the bottom, you know. So like this, cut the bottom half of this in half and stick it to the bottom of this, and then yeah, because this is nice and easy, but then this is flat too, so I don't know, just throwing it out there. I'm just going to blend out on the hair, apply my powder, and then come back to you guys. But the gem blender, gem freaking blender, let me blend out right here because it must be driving some of you guys insane. See, handy. Oh my god, oh god. Yes, yes, and yes. Heaven, yes. Oh my god, yes. Just yes, just yes. Oh, cute little teardrop. Yes, please. Gem blender, yes. Everything stays. I don't think you guys are, I cannot express to you how innovative this is. First of all, I'm contoured to the gods, honey. Are you seeing this? Contoured. And I'm not wearing any glue, so I don't mind. But listen, this, and I'm doing this just to hide the light, you know, because see. But this is everything. This gem blender is everything. Now, would I put this in my kit? Heaven, yes. So I'm gonna keep this orange one for me. Then I'm gonna put this one in my kit. Can you imagine? Oh my god, my products will not be wasted. They won't be absorbed. Where's the brush I was using? Where's the brush? Okay, they won't be absorbed into my brush or into my beauty blender. Everything goes on the skin. 99.9% of it goes on the skin, as opposed to 60%, 50%. This is everything. This is very, very innovative. This is everything. And I can use it to apply powders too. I didn't even do that. I should have done that today. Oh no, it broke. My one break. No, it break. Like it broke. I can just probably use yes sir. Okay, the breakability not affect it, and you can use it to use your powder. And girl, congrats. I love it. Definitely love it. Would definitely recommend and would definitely put this in your kits, only because you're not wasting any product and it goes on full coverage. So with this, you don't need to use, I found that with the foundation that I use, I did not need to use a lot, because this grabs up everything and it doesn't blend it out. It leaves it on the skin. MVP. No, I just have to resist myself from squeezing it and squishing it and just mashing it up, because it's very stress relievish. Alright, so that's it for this video. I won't go any longer. I've just been rambling. I definitely love this gem blender, bad like yours, and I would definitely recommend it, and it definitely is in your kits. Gemblender.com, what I like about them as well is that they come with instructions how to use it, how to keep your gem blender clean. That's so cool. That is so cool. Gem blender, you guys are doing it. Very innovative, and I love it. Love it. Again, I bought this with my own mentee. This video is not sponsored, but you know I have to represent my girl. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.